The life of a salesman can be very interesting indeed. It's also exhausting with long hours spent on the road, traveling from one client to another, and even longer hours on the phone, hammering out details and closing deals. The best salespeople know that they need to keep their mind alert and keen when dealing with customers. And that's why they eat the survival tabs. The unique and high quality combination of ingredients found in the survival tabs give salesmen and saleswomen the nutrition and energy they need to negotiate with even the most finicky of customers. The survival tabs provide fatty acids for superior brain function, high quality proteins that keep their energy levels up all day long, and the vitamins and minerals they need to help them think on their feet. Every good salesman knows that you should never go into any negotiations without having the upper hand. And the survival tabs provide that upper hand and much more. The survival tabs are convenient, lightweight, and perfect for busy professionals. Grab a bottle of the survival tabs for now, and one more to store away just in case.